Hi folks, today we're making garlic bread at home. Our ingredients are set out here in front of us. We're using a Cuban bread today. I normally like to use French bread. I didn't have any, but this is a couple of days old, so that actually works out extremely well. We're going to put some butter on it. We're going to sprinkle some garlic powder. We're going to sprinkle some parsley, and then we're going to sprinkle some paprika and then some cheese. Usually what we do in our household is we take it, we wrap it in plastic, and we stick it in the freezer. That way next time you cook an Italian dinner or whatever it is that you'd like to use the garlic bread, you can just take it out from the freezer and pop it in the oven. Let's get started. We've cut our breads open long ways, like this, and we're going to go ahead and get some butter on them. This is really a simple deal. I just thought it'd be nice to go ahead and show you folks how we do it. And we like a lot of butter. So and the butter will melt down into the bread, so you don't have to really worry about putting too much. Okay, that looks like that's about got it. Okay, so we've got our bread buttered. Just go over here and make sure. Okay, that's nice. All right, then I usually take the garlic and go ahead and just sprinkle it over. A light coat over the whole works. Some people like a lot. I like just a little light layer. Okay. Then I like to put the cheese. We put a pretty good amount of cheese because when it melts, and then you're going to cut these into smaller pieces. If you got 4 or 5 people in your family, you're going to want to make sure everybody gets a piece or two. So again, we like to put a pretty good amount of cheese. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then we come back and I sprinkle a little parsley on it. And the parsley doesn't do a whole lot. It adds a little flavor. It's mostly for show. Make it look nice. If you notice, I've put this in a pan because a lot of it's getting sprinkled on outside the bread. So then we come back and we put a little paprika on top. And then, this is it. This is how we make our garlic bread at home. And we're ready to sit down and stick this in the oven. And when it comes out, we'll have a great meal. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven now. I'm going to put it in well, there's my oven. We're going to put it in a 350-degree oven. And we're going to go ahead and set it in here. And we're going to let it cook for maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes, just till the top gets nice and bubbly. Well, it's tasting time. The pasta and meat sauce is on the stove. The garlic bread's out the oven. And it's time for me to give a real quick taste to the garlic bread before we eat. Perfect. Just enough garlic. Absolutely perfect. This one cooked a little faster because the Cuban bread is a little thinner, okay, than the French bread. So you just got to play it by ear. Usually, let's say 6 to 15 minutes, just depends on the bread that you're using. Please like our channel, tell your friends, share it with others, and give us a thumbs up. We look for you in the next one.